Hi, my name is Ken Eastman. I'm the Chief Information Officer for Core Health and Fitness.
I'm Don Payne, Business System Manager for the Salesforce environment here at Core Health and Fitness.
We originally went looking for a systems integrator or an SI to implement Field Service Lightning or FSL. We were looking for somebody who could manage projects, somebody who's been there and done that before.
We wanted a partner that had experience making this journey multiple times across different industries and could help guide us through mapping our business requirements to standard functionality, as well as identifying gaps that we could fill with customization and unique services that set Core Health and Fitness apart.
That's what we went out looking for, and we found that Groundswell met our requirements in that regard.
Groundswell definitely brought the A team to the table for our project. The extremely high caliber of personnel, staff, and team members integrated well with our team, and you could immediately see that they were as invested in the success of our project as we were, which is always great to have in a partner.
What I could see with Groundswell was their big picture people. They weren't looking to implement some little nugget over here or a little nugget over there. They were looking at a real turnkey solution.
This project started with a global customer service initiative to replace our in-house custom developed service appointment scheduling system with the Field Service Lightning product.
The financial gain for Core Health and Fitness was material and well overshadowed the cost of implementing FSL.
We saw the impact and capability of Groundswell and the team that they brought to the table immediately.
We had quality people, committed to the job, able to think big picture, always honest, always flexible. I want to have a partner that's thinking long-term and beyond just this project.
The caliber of people that they can bring to the table, their depth, knowledge, and understanding of the products, and working with the team as you go through the business requirements and technical design are unsurpassed.
I absolutely would recommend Groundswell. And in fact, I hope I get the opportunity to do that, because when you run across a good SI with integrity, willing to be flexible, hardworking, honest, you feel like you hit the jackpot a little bit. And so I would recommend them to anybody that had a similar type of project.
Partnering with Groundswell has absolutely been the right decision. The caliber of the people that they brought to the table to work through our business process, map that to the capabilities of the Field Service Lightning system, and manage this through a couple of unique customizations that were required to meet our business requirements. They all demonstrated a very solid skill and foundation around Field Service Lightning, and made all of the difference in terms of getting us to our end result and successfully deploying a viable solution. If you're looking for a partner for your next critical business project, Groundswell should definitely be on your short list.